First thing we're going to do is remove the 4 external screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Next, we're going to turn it over and pull up the front housing to remove it. To remove the display, lift up on the display board here and rotate it up, and then pull the display board away. To install the new display, take your display PCBA and align it under the bottom snap fit as shown. Rotate it down and push onto the board-to-board connector, just like that. We're going to install the front housing. We're going to take the front housing, place it on, line it up, flip it over, and install the 4 external screws to 6 inch-pounds using a Phillips screwdriver.